Who am I? I am a wife, a mom, a student, and while doing all of this, I have very little of this. So follow me to learn how to make the most of your time and money while becoming a healthier family. Hey guys, it's Leslie here, and I wanted to show you a couple money makers that Ben and I have found. First thing is I have 3 apps that you may want to check out. One is Ibotta, another is Saving Star, and the last one is Checkout 51. The first deal that I'm going to show you today is Tic Tac gum. I found a coupon on redplum.com for 50 cents. I was able to print it a few times. I also had another one from lozo.com that was 50 cents. And then our newspaper had a 50-cent coupon on them. I had a few people give me their coupons. This deal is only on Ibotta, and it's only available at Walmart. You can use it on all 3 flavors, which is the fresh mint, the wintergreen, and the cool watermelon. And the really cool thing is you can do each of these 5 times. So I'm going to break down my receipt here. Walmart's price on the gum is $1.14 a piece. We had a 50-cent coupon for each one. At the end of the bill, we paid with $5 because we had a $5 Ibotta rebate, which meant that we would actually make $1.46 on 5. If we did all 3 flavors, we would make $4.38, but Ben and I doing it together, he would have his and I would have mine, is $8.76. The next deal that I have is Pop Chips Peanut Butter Puffs, and this is a deal that was only at Kroger. Now, Kroger.com had a digital coupon for $4. I was not able to use that because they were on sale for $2.99. So I guess they already realized they would be losing money that way. But Checkout 51 had a $4 rebate that you could do for 2 times. And then Saving Star had a $4 rebate that you can only use once. I paid $5.98. Using all 3 rebates, I would be making $6. Ben's going to do the same thing. So we'll be bringing about $12 on this deal. Altogether, we will be able to make, as a husband-wife team, just over $20 on 2 items. So till next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.